had to bring the pointer out. What is this? Ugh! So I wanted to have a geo here. Not because I wanted to sell it, it's because I wanted to show videos of the quality, a lack thereof, you know, suspension, and just I want the wind up windows. So a customer bought this, she had it for a month and hated it and bought a Connect from us. It was up in Parry Sound. So the lady tells me, she's older, right? That's kind of who buys these, their aging population. She told me it was a Geo. So Alex goes up, brings her a new Connect, brings this in. And the only reason I did a trade is because I wanted that. And this is what I got. I'm like, frig, man, what is this? So that brings me to the next point. What is this? So it's not on this website, Super E-Bikes. It's not on their website at all. I mean, not much is on their website, including prices or anything else. But this is something maybe they just bought a container of because it's cheaper and they wanted a little bit more margin. I don't know what this is. But what I was happy about is that it doesn't have wishbone suspension. It's got strut every time. I believe our customer paid $7,500 for it. It's cute. I'm not gonna lie, it's cute, but it's like this mashup of like a Geo because they came with this. I like the size of it. It's got power windows. So let's see if it has AC. So this is really tough for us because we're just gonna have to sell this at a very severe discount. Paid far too much for it, so we'll give this away to somebody because if this needs parts, which our customers will know when they buy it, that the whole story, this was a trade-in, it was supposed to be a Geo, because I can get parts for Geo. So yeah, what is this thing? Let's see if it even has, oh, I should turn it on. It said it was a Geo Premium. Yeah. This is not on Geo Canada's website. So saying to the customer that it's something that it's not, because this is not, I've never seen this. And I get emailed every day for China wanting to ship direct to us, and I won't bring in our own brand because we want support from the importing. That's another thing. So you have to specialize in either selling and servicing and parts, or you specialize in importing these, because that's a whole other level. We choose not to do both because we believe you're either good at one thing or you're good at the other. And when you want to spread yourself so thin by bringing these units in so that you can make more margin, Ride the Wind doesn't give a shit about making more margin. We care about selling something, and then when 2 years, 6 months, 5 years down the road, you need parts, and we've been able to pretty much achieve that. Some companies obviously have gone out of business. We know about that. That's not to be predicted. Anyways, I'm trying to see if this has AC. I do feel, oh, it has AC. Okay, that's cool. It's cold. Anyways, my concern about this is that, you know, how do I get parts now? We'll try to work something out. But anyways, I don't hate it. I just hate the lack of information on it. The fact that it's just had, you know, this sticker put on it. So is this something they brought in, which is fine, but put it on your website. Let us know what it is. What's the motor on it? You know, I can't come down here and tell you what motor that is. It's probably a 1200. It's definitely not going to be a 2000. Anyway, so you gotta do your research, everyone, please. And that's why we try to give you all the information, because we are trying to earn your business. We are wanting to earn your trust, because it's very scary, especially buying something this, it's always scary, but it's a lot of money. And so we do this to show you everything that there is to know about enclosed, as a Canadian, as a small business owner, as a family-owned business, as somebody who's been in business for 10 years. And I don't know what we're even gonna call this video, but I think this is just, if you're searching for an enclosed, you can add this to your collection of research, because this is the kind of stuff that was sold as a Geo, and it is absolutely not a Geo. So be careful, buyer beware. And also, this week alone, it's Monday, but this week alone we've had 4 people, not including this one, that was the week before, that have bought from other companies starting with a K, that have canceled or it's just sitting in their driveway and they're now buying from us. So that's all I got to say.